Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a DIY. For this DIY, you're going to need a plate, candle holders, spray paint, and a vase. It doesn't matter what color you use. You're also going to need a glue gun and glue stick. So I'm going to start off by spraying everything white. Once you're done spraying everything, you have to let it dry before you can actually glue your candlestick to your plate. Since I already did that off camera, I'm going to start gluing everything. Stick to hold it together. But I recommend that you use mirror, marble, and granite adhesive instead of the glue stick because it'll last longer. Now we're going to glue another plate on top of the candlestick and let everything dry. In the end, it should actually look like this. To finish the look, I added a flower vase, a dish towel, a sponge, and a soap dispenser. And voila!